Want to start accepting crypto payments with low fees, fast transactions, and no chargebacks? Let's look at how to choose the best crypto payment gateway and why platforms like Finassets.io are quickly becoming top choices for online businesses. When picking a crypto payment processor, here's what really matters: experience. Older gateways often have stronger infrastructure. Supported coins. Choose one that covers both popular and emerging cryptocurrencies. Fees. Compare transaction and withdrawal costs. Some charge up to 2%, others as low as 0.4%. Security and compliance. Look for strong encryption, KYC/AML policies, and a clean reputation. Integration. It should connect to your site or app in just a few clicks. Payout flexibility. Crypto, fiat, or both. The more options, the better. Support and speed. 24/7 help and fast confirmations can make a big difference. Analytics and sandbox. Dashboards and testing tools help you monitor payments safely before going live. Now, let's talk about Finassets.io, a next-gen crypto payment gateway built for speed, security, and flexibility. Founded in 2021, Finassets offers a progressive fee structure, starting at 0.4% and dropping to 0.2% as your volume increases, way below industry average. You can even test it with their live fee calculator on the website. It supports 70+ cryptocurrencies across multiple chains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT on Tron, BEP20, ERC20, TON, and Polygon. Comprehensive B2B e-commerce payment tools. Finassets streamlines digital currency acceptance with a payment button, crypto invoicing, mass payouts, API integration, auto-convert, custody, and exchange. Finassets also helps businesses cut TRC20 network costs by over 50% using its built-in energy optimization system, perfect for high-volume payments. With automatic crypto-to-fiat conversions, enterprise-grade security, and onboarding in as little as 2 days, integration is smooth and fast. And if you need help, Finassets live support replies in under 10 minutes. To make it easy for you, we've added a link in the description to the crypto fee calculator so you can compare rates across gateways, plus a link to Finassets' free demo to test payments safely. Whether you're running SaaS, e-commerce, or a Web3 project, Finassets.io makes accepting crypto simple, secure, and cost-efficient.